using directly connected interfaces as BGP neighbors. This scenario shows how to achieve load sharing when multiple links exist between a remote autonomous system and a local autonomous system. A further qualification assumes that these multiple links are terminated in one router at your local AS and on multiple routers at the remote AS in a single-homed BGP environment. We'll use the following network diagram as an example. This sample configuration uses the maximum-paths command. By default, BGP chooses one best path among the possible equal cost paths learned from one AS. However, to change the maximum number of parallel equal cost paths allowed, you can include the maximum-paths command under the BGP configuration. Here are the configurations for these routers. All of these routers have just your basic BGP configurations, so there isn't anything complex here that you don't already know. Notice that both of the routers in Autonomous System 10 are advertising the 2.0.0.0 network out to router A. These configs don't show the 2 network as being a directly connected network on either router B or router C, so it is assumed that they've learned about it via some other method, possibly from some other BGP or IGP router deep in Autonomous System 10. So router A will learn about the network 2.0.0.0 via multiple equal cost paths, in this case a total of 2 equal cost paths. Now by default, the way that BGP would work is that router A would have to choose which route to network 2 would be the best route. This would mean that router A would ultimately decide to forward all packets destined for network 2 towards either router B or router C, but not both. Using the maximum-paths command under your router BGP statement allows your router to now ignore its default behavior and install more than one best path into the BGP routing table. In this case, we know that there are only 2 paths available to network 2, so our config for router A shows the maximum-paths 2 statement. However, in real life, you may need to increase this capability even further. In that case, you could have a maximum of 6 equal cost paths by using the maximum-paths 6 command.